name is Matt Franco. I've been with Couto Construction since May of 2018. My favorite part is just seeing the process from start to finish, from the current situation now to the final completion once the job is complete. Really, a lot of the times it comes down to trust and somebody that says what they're gonna do and they actually do it. And that's just literally the core values of our company. We just say what we're gonna do and we're gonna do it. You can't ask enough questions. Transparency is everything. When you get your quotes, when you're reviewing, are they gonna flash? Are they gonna do all these details that are so crucial? Because remember, you don't wanna do the job twice, right? You wanna do it one time and one time only. So can't ask enough questions. I like to definitely work out. I love a good restaurant. On the weekends though, kind of like save it for the weekend if it's especially a nice time, like sunset, good dinners there, probably on the water. You know, I love to cook and eat, so that's, yeah. Successful project basically start to finish, from colors to overall vision that you guys, the homeowner, had thought about, and for me to bring that to life with the quality of the work being done. It's quality and it's fulfilling the order. Once again, guys, I'm Matt Franco with Couto Construction, and I'm very happy to come out and meet you guys. Can't wait.